Hi everyone, today we had this platform called Popupular and this is the best pop-up software. Now, before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. So, now creating pop-ups could be important for lead generation, customer engagement, churn surveys, and user experience. So, everything is basically packed in this software. Either you are looking for employee satisfaction and anything each and everything could be possible using this software. So now if you scroll a little bit down, you will be able to see that we have many features, like for example, if you want fully control your pop-ups on your sites or platforms, you can add different type of triggers, page rules. You can also add segmentations and scheduling. So all of these are going to be serving as key factors in grasping those clients that you are missing out and making your website way more effective than it normally is. Now, if you dive in more, you can see you have optimization and secure systems that are integrated onto the site, and it is basically installs on your site in seconds, works and looks great on mobile, doesn't slows down your site as well. So still, if you are unsure about Popupular, you can see we have some pricings and plans which are not that much high, and let's just go through some of the reviews. So you can see concise review on Popular, so you can see ease of use, customization, targeting options, good for easy implementation. So yeah, basically that is it for this video, and make sure to head over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses and rewards.